Her time is 5 o'clock in the morning. I wake up with my sister so early. Early morning is low tide. Later around 10 o'clock, 11 o'clock, maybe high tide already. See so many seashell.
Wala siyang Virgin Beach